Hello, this is Red from Project T Studios. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on using BannedStory and just animating. So we're going to start by opening BannedStory, and we're going to start it up, and we're going to load our character code right here. So you type it in there, load it, your character, well, yeah, so you gotta load it. Sorry, I forgot to press load, I guess. So your character will load. Okay, then you're gonna go through and you're gonna start a process by taking each frame and taking a screenshot and putting them all in one Photoshop file like I have here. So I'm gonna move it down. You see I have the frames. I'm gonna start by zooming in, which is good, so you can see it right, and then I'm gonna crop it quite a bit actually, just to make sure that I can fit them all. And on the right there in my layers palette, you can see that they all fit pretty good. So I could crop it more if I wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna check my images here, make sure that I can see them all. So good, they look good. So you can see I have the character stand, then I have the character walk, and then I have the character jump all on here. And then so I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna unreveal one layer while the rest are all hidden. I'm gonna save it as a PNG. Got character walk 1, and then I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do this for all of them. So I have character stand 1, character stand 2, character stand 3, because you reuse character stand 2, and then you have character walk 1, character walk 2, and character walk 3, and character walk 4. Then I have character jump. So I'm just gonna go through here and do these. Shouldn't take that long. Okay, and then after I have them all saved, I can go ahead and I can close out of Photoshop. So I have them all saved. I can close that, so I'm not gonna accept these. I'm gonna open. I'm gonna go ahead and close my Firefox. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna open Flash now. So I'm gonna go ahead. It's okay. So this Flash is gonna load up. It's running a little slow just because of the screen recording program. Just gonna go ahead and load here. So Flash is open. I'm gonna open a new document. I'm gonna make the size 640 by 480, which is standard screen size. So there we go. We got standard screen size. I'm gonna make the. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna select all my images. That's character walk, character run or stand, and the character jump. I'm going to import them to my library here. So you can see I have all of them. I'm gonna drag one on here. You can see that the white background's on there. While that's on there, you can go to modify and then bitmap and then trace bitmap, and then that menu screen is gonna come up after I do that. Well, first I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to go through and add the right amount of keyframes for each of the character animations. Since I'm doing the character stand here, I'm gonna have 4 different frames. You have stand 1, stand 2, stand 3, and then stand 2 again, which creates the loops. So I'm gonna go to bitmap and then trace bitmap, and it's gonna be 1 is the setting for the first one, and the 1's the setting for the next one, and then it's gonna be you want it to be pixels, and then you want it to be mini corners. And as you can see, I selected the white background and I deleted it, and I'm just so I'm gonna go through that again. Bitmap, trace bitmap, 1 1, and then I'm gonna select the white only and delete it. And then I can go in here and I can select the white in between his legs and so forth. I changed the background to red so that you can see that the white is actually gone. And so I'm just gonna go through here and do this for the other ones. I went ahead and I copied frame 2 and pasted it on the 4th frame because of the same, so I don't have to just do the steps again. And then I have to do that for frame 3 too. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to select 3, modify, bitmap, trace bitmap, enter, select the white, delete it, select the white between his legs and between his arms. And there we go. So there's your character. You can see it. So whenever I press enter, it looks like it's running a little too fast, so I can go through here and insert more keyframes. I usually use the F5 tool with that. Well, I noticed that my keyframes weren't all correct, so I went through and I added some more. let's see here. It's a little bit slower. You can see as I zoom in here. Pretty good speed. Maybe could be a little bit slower, but it looks good. I use the align tool when I'm setting up the images, so it works pretty well. So there we go. That's about right. Yeah, it looks good. The reason why I use Photoshop to get all these images and export them and so forth is because it makes all the images the same size, and therefore whenever you align them in Flash in the center, it works pretty good. So here's an animation I did in Flash. As you can see, he walks out, the other guy jumps in, and then shoot doo. So this is done in Flash with using BannedStory, and this is my recording here, so it just loops. It's not too long, but here's the actual version. So this one's gonna be a little bit better quality. So he walks out, the other guy jumps in, and he shoot doo. So just want to say shoot doo.